Okay, good afternoon. Here we are again. Today we are going to discuss the possibility to pay 1% taxes in Romania. So, how to avoid taxes and stay on the grid at the same time, meaning do not do anything illegal. Many self-employed people and even companies like ZZP'ers in the Netherlands, self-employed people in Belgium, they have a severe problem because they pay way too much taxes. For them, it might be a solution to go in another country, and people are doing that effectively, and then they end up like in Barbados, the Cayman Islands, and so on. This is not the right attitude. In the Netherlands, as an example, the visa cards are monitored. You have in the Bahamas or Seychelles, you have a company there and a visa card, you use it in Holland, well, they will know, they will come to you and ask for, what is this, where does the money come from, and so on. So this is what I call on the edge, working on the edge, asking for problems. Don't do that, go to Romania. Do it in a legal way. Romania, we have one organization that's called ANAF, and there's the National Agency for Fiscal Administration. They are the revenue service of the Romanian government. Well, if you pay these people your taxes and you do everything according to your accountant, his instructions, then you will not have any problem, neither in Romania, neither in Belgium. The only thing that you do is you take as an advantage or take in your advantage the new tax law in Romania, which is very simple. According to the new tax measures, micro-enterprises will pay a tax of 1% on turnover for revenues up to 60,000 euro per year, and 3% if it is bigger than this amount. Dividends will be 8% instead of 5%. So make a micro company in Romania and reduce your taxes and also diversify your wealth in this way. So what is a micro company? Well, it's very important to know that in a micro company, it's a company that you just made, that you need one full-time equivalent in order to be classified, in order to have the status of micro-enterprise. Before it was a little bit different, it was on the number of people. Now you need to employ people and you are no longer limited. There's a cutoff on turnover and not on the number of people, but you need to have at least one full-time equivalent for the 1%. If not, it is automatically also 3%, even if your turnover is below the threshold that I mentioned before. If it exceeds more than 500,000, well, okay, bad luck. You are back to normal, meaning you will pay 16% on the profit and not 1% or 3% on the turnover. There are some other measures, so a realizat venitur, meaning you make income according to Article 48. There are some exclusions, meaning you cannot be in the gamble industry and so you cannot do consultancy. They have a little rule for consultancy where they say, okay, it can only be 20%. My advice is not to do anything to avoid consultancy. Do not invoice this. Go 100% on another business in order not to have any discussions with ANAF at the control, because they will do the control on the basis of the invoices and the contracts that you have. And then, okay, something on capital social, that it cannot be something of administrative territorial unit and so on. Okay, you cannot be in dissolvation and so on. So this solution, no longer linked to the number of people that you employ, the micro company enables you to shift the money in a friendly way to Romania, which is stable. When you come with us, we will make sure that you can focus on your operations. You will not have any problems. We put you in, make your company, put you in the business centers that we have, and will guide you as long as you are with us. The money that you have, fine, you can pay your little salary, but it's more interesting to keep the money and to invest then in, I don't know, real estate as an example. And this you build up during your life, meaning at the day that you make your pension, all the surplus that you would normally pay to taxes will be converted into bricks, into buildings. So let's say reason to party, and the party will continue for a number of years, because it is already, I think, more than 7 or 8 years that we have measures that change a little bit like this, and they are not, they do not intend to stop it. So all reason to get some traditional food, la gratar, sorry, meaning barbecue or whatever that you like. I'm very happy with this solution, and I want to make also other people happy from Belgium and Holland and other countries if they want to take in advantage, in their advantage, the new tax law that is issued by Romania. So, as a conclusion, I already told you, get rid of your tax problems, create a company with us, and stop running after solutions and stop creating problems. Do it in a legal way. Do it in a way that is legal, and you will not have any problems, and you will have a life. So welcome to Romania. For some of you, the journey starts here. Thank you very much again for listening. Here are my contact data, and please do not forget to reach out if you want more information or you want to discuss your future steps. And also please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.